Hello everyone, today we are going to master Korean initial consonants through a fun and competitive Hangul board game. This game is perfect for beginners who want to quickly recognize the sounds of Hangul. We have two boards, but the core mechanics are the same. Match the consonant on the border with the word or image inside the grid. Let's look at game 1, word match. To claim as many words as possible by matching the starting consonant. First, roll the dice. 1, 기역. So you need to find the word that starts with 기역. There's a 고구마, 고양이, 가지, 가게, 그네. So I place my marker here, 그네. Oh, the red one is also in 기역, so it's the same. There's a steal rule, you can steal the marker. So I can steal here, yellow marker. I place my marker here, 그네, and get rid of the red, yellow marker. So the game goes like this. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, real. I need to find the word that starts real. Here, ramen. 3, 1, 2, 3, 기역. 구두. 1, 히읗. 하마. 2, 1, 2, 리을. 리을. 라디오. 3, 1, 2, 3, 이응. 엄마. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, real. But I want to steal. No. I want to steal ramen. Like this. The second game is the same game but with the image. Image challenge works identically but with pictures. When you land on a consonant, you must find the image whose Korean name starts with that sound. To claim the spot, you must also say the correct Korean word out loud. 1, 기역. And you said the word that starts with 기역 and say out loud. 구두. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, real. Radio. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can steal the game, steal the marker. So I still get rid of the red marker here and place my marker here, radio. You can play the game like this. The player with the most markers on the board at the end is the Hangul master. Want to play this at home? You can download the free printable PDF of both board games. Just click the link in the description of this video to grab your copy now. 2, 디귿. 다리미. 3, 1, 2, 3, 기역.